This is tech tips for mounting bikes to any V-rack from Let's Go Aero. The V is Let's Go Aero's signature patented bike carrier design that mounts bikes to the rack with 4 points of wheel contact, which is called zero-G technology. Bikes are mounted to the rack by the tires, which allows for a wide range of different bikes out there. Loading bikes to the V-rack is simple by first hanging each bike from the 12 o'clock position of each tire on an upper wheel cradle. Raise the lower wheel cradle up to the bike tire to take weight off of the upper wheel cradle and have equally weighted upper and lower wheel cradles. Position each foam pad in between the bike frame and the V-rack to prevent any contact. Secure each cradle with its own rubber strap to anchor the bike to the rack. If you're mounting 2 exact bike sizes to the V-rack, the preferred position is to have each bike's front wheel as high on the V-rack as possible. This allows for the front bike tires of each bike to be able to clear the rear tires and seat of the other mounted bikes. Learn more at letsgoaero.com.